Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review look at M.A.D. M.A.D. bots. Cybud Boy Out. That's right, they use the word cyborg and bud together to create Cybud Boy Out. Robots that boy out their crates. Realistic sounds and movement, berries included, 12 to quit. One mystery bud inside, so you don't know what one you're going to get. It says the radioactive ones glow in the dark, so that's the blue ones. They're made by Heart Smart. I guess that's the company that makes them. So yeah, press the button and wait. Here's the 12 to quit. 3 for each team. There's always going to be a spider, a scorpion, and a beetle. Of course, the scorpion they call it sting for some reason instead of scorpion. The other two they call it what they are, a beetle and a scorpion. So control room 1 is stealth. Control room 2 is the radioactive one, which is glow in the dark. Control room 3 is the prototypes, and control room 4 is the metallics, like the golden black metallic. I really hope that I get either 2, 3, or 4 in a beetle. I really want a beetle in this one. And this is how you put the berries in. It takes 3 LR44s, which is 1.5 volts. So, yep, let's go ahead and open this up and see who we got in here. There's our instructions. So it just tells us, do not press the button, do not remove the sticker yet. Pull the berry tag, cut the little cable tie, pull it out, then turn it over. Remove the sticker, push the button. Here are the 3 bots that you can see a little bit better. Spider, scorpion, and beetle. Here's how you put the berries in, all 3 of them. Here's what a little crate looks like. It says M.A.D bots on there. Kind of looks like a little Autobot logo symbol right there, just minus the face and eyes for the little mouth there. There's that sticker, berry tab, the little tie down. The sticker is kind of tricky to peel off. Don't know why they didn't go with the better sticker. So now we just put it down. Push the button and wait. Approximately about 11 seconds you have to wait. Whoa! We have got a spider here, folks. That's right, we got Control Room 2 radioactive glow in the dark spider here. So it looks like the spider. This is the on button, or the secondary on button. There's a on off switch down here. You can turn it back on. Make sure the wheels line up with the tread there for the little track, and make sure this little knobs here on the side go on the side like this. Close it, push it, and I think I turned this off. Oh wait. Actually, let's leave it open like this. Now let's turn that off. But yeah, so you can use it in little crate bots. It's not going to lock because there's no little tabs on there. So yeah, let me go charge this up to a light source for a couple seconds and see if this thing actually does do what the box says of glowing in the dark. Of course, I don't know how good it's going to show up on the camera, but you know, we're going to be willing to give it a try here. Just let me make sure it gets really good in that light source for a little bit. Because, you know, it's in dark little crate there, so we gotta make sure that it charges up. I feel that's a pretty good charge in there. Let me go ahead and start turning off these lights. Which for me it's gonna be a pain. Again, I think the power went out on this. So let me go try recharging that's to a light source again. So give me a couple of minutes here. Okay, I think that's good enough. Let's turn on all the lights completely. Wow, as you can see, it's actually glowing and it's actually showing up on camera. Now let me go turn the lights down so we can get a better view of things here. Alright, so as you can see, it does glow in the dark, and I'm actually surprised that it does, because if you know a lot of things that claim that they glow in the dark, and you know, you hold on to the light for like maybe 5 to 10 minutes, you try to show it on camera to do a review, and it's pitch black. It's like this. It's like, I hold on to the light source for like at least 10 minutes. It should be glowing like a freaking sun, like a bonfire. And yet, no. But this actually glows in only like about maybe 2.5, 3 minutes. So I will say, this Heart Smart or Head Smart company, when they made a glow in the dark product, they made a glow in the dark product that actually shows up that it glows in the dark on camera. Because a lot of these other things, yeah, it glows in the dark off camera, but when you want to record it, showing that it actually glows in the dark on camera, it doesn't do anything. So yeah. So yeah, this company, they actually got a good thing going for them. So yeah, they have spent the unboxing review of M.A.D, M.A.Ds, bots, cybods, cybud boyout. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, bye. Thanks.